Hey friends, welcome back. ETPC here, checking out another product and showing you the unboxing. Today we are looking at the electric shaver, contour detect technology, new experience electric shaver featuring a touch switch, breathing lamp, digital user interface, multiple shaving system, intelligence, wet and dry, all that good stuff. Okay, that's kind of what's on the outside. Grab this off of Amazon for about $28, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out too if you want to. All right, let's see what's in the box, shall we? Okay, first off, that's it for the box. Everything comes out nice little package here. Let's remove the top here. Some instructions. This also features a lifetime warranty, which is pretty sweet, actually. All right, let's. First thing we're gonna check out here looks like a. Oh my goodness, it is well wrapped. Just happen to have a knife here. This plastic is no joke here. Okay, once you start a tear going, it's not too bad, I guess. All right, so this is the. Take this off here. Just turn it off, pop it off, twist it off. Maybe if you attach it to the razor first, it's easier to get my nail under there and work it out. Ah! Fiddly-dee. All right, we're back. So this is the nose hair trimmer attachment. That looks pretty good there. And looks like the back is a simple push in and twist. We're going to figure that out. So is this a twist off, or is it just, apparently it's just a pop on there. So there's the nose hair trimmer attachment. Oh boy, this one's also wrapped in this plastic here. Good thing I had my knife handy. Always be careful when you're using a knife, my friends. This appears to be the trimmer attachment. And there we go. That looks pretty nice there. Nice little cover to go on there. Snaps into place. What else do we have in here? The little exfoliating brush here. So this is also pretty cool. Oops. This is interesting. This plastic here is well wrapped. Okay. Oh wow, that is super soft. My goodness. So I'm guessing that just rotates around. How do I get that back on there? And nice and soft and gentle on the skin. Maybe does some exfoliating or something. And what do we got here? So the cap for the tri-head razor part. We have a USB power cord, which everything's going USB anyways. I'm changing over. I want to get some of those light switches, or the power switches that have the built-in USB. So this is about a 2-foot cord here. All right, now what you've all been waiting for is, yes, the cleaner brush. Okay, just kidding. You guys are waiting for the razor, but one more is the head attachment there. And there it is. Wow, so these all have, looks like they're not independent of each other, but attached. So there's lots of movement ability there. Let's go ahead and pressure switch, press hard to turn on. So it's got a pressure switch here. Please fully charge the saver before the first time using. All right, so we're gonna have to charge this up before we use it. So looks like installation has a little mark right there, or a little slot, and you can slide the corresponding slot of your attachment in there, and it snaps into place. Okay, so that moves around a little bit too, gives you some extra movement, and these also. So to take this out, I'm thinking it just pops out like that. And let's see the other attachments here. Just like that. Okay, so everything seems to work pretty good as far as just going in there. Pretty simple. Appears to be well constructed. Does have a lifetime warranty, so that's pretty neat. Waterproof, so if you want to clean it off and just run it underwater. I'm going to go charge this up. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends. I will be doing a review video as well as a demonstration video soon. And I'll leave a link to that in the description below, as well as the Amazon link. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there.